Okay, on the left-hand side, I've got a Raspberry Pi running ROS Noetic. On the right-hand side, I've got an Ubuntu 20 virtual machine running inside of Windows, and this is using host networking, so there's no NAT or anything else happening behind it. So I've got the IP address of the host machine here. So just to show, first up, I can ping. So this being Raspberry Pi, so I can do ping Raspberry Pi.lan. They can ping each other. I can SSH both directions. We can do this both directions, so we'll go the other way. So we've got full connectivity, ping, netcat, SSH, both directions. Let's go to, right now this is set for master URI is the IP address of this machine and the IP address. So that was .39. We can double check it here. We've got 192.168.86.39. So that works. Come over here. We're connected to that same IP address. And this IP address is .26. We can verify that with .26. So we will make sure ROS core isn't running. We'll run ROS core on the left-hand side. We can see it connects to the master URI of the domain. It's not using the IP address for the ROS master URI. But we'll try running ROS core over here, and we get the host is not set to this machine. Okay, so we'll try it a different way. So we'll go ahead and change. And we'll do the exact same thing that's showing up on the left-hand side, the Raspberry Pi.lan. We will use the host name, which is Ubuntu.lan, and we'll comment this out. Save this, rerun it, try to connect again. Host is not set to this machine, and instead it falls back to Ubuntu.lan. So let's try changing this. So we'll use hostname. And hostname, master URI. Rerun that. Let's run ROS core again. And let's try to connect again. Same thing. Kind of out of ideas at this point. All the troubleshooting steps have been taken, and still cannot connect. Still cannot connect to these two.